Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. It's about how to effectively use chatbots in your digital marketing strategy. I'll keep it simple and packed with valuable info just for you. Alright, let's start with the basics. What are chatbots and why should you care? Think of chatbots as your digital assistant available 24/7 on your website or social media. They're like the friendly faces you meet in a store, but in the virtual world. They chat with your visitors, answer their questions, and help them make decisions, like a personal shopping guide. Now let's get into the good stuff. After this tutorial, you'll be armed with the knowledge to integrate chatbots effectively into your digital marketing strategy. They're not just tech gimmicks. They are a powerful tool to enhance customer support, capture leads, and boost your online presence. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to harness the potential of chatbots in your digital marketing endeavors. The key takeaway here is that chatbots make your brand more accessible, engaging, and available to your audience. They are not just a passing trend, they are a strategic asset for your marketing game. So give them a shot and watch your business thrive. Thanks for tuning in and learning with me today. Once again, I appreciate you watching how to effectively use chatbots in your digital marketing strategy. See you in my next video.